There is no neutral setting on the tongue. Let's consider some choices we make daily. Let me highlight 3 daily choices Scripture places before us. Number 1, we choose whether our words will build up or tear down. Ephesians chapter 4 and verse 29 tells us to speak what is good for building up, that it may give grace to those who hear. That's number 1. Number 2, we choose whether timely or reckless. Proverbs chapter 15 and verse 23. And there the wise man reminds us that a word spoken in due season is good. Daily thing number 3, we choose whether our words will reflect wisdom or impulsivity. Proverbs chapter 12 and verse 18 warns us that reckless words pierce like a sword, but the tongue of the wise brings healing. These are choices, not accidents. Now, why does all of this matter?